Because there's a natural outcome that comes from these four forces on a macroeconomic scale coming together, and there's going to be a mindset that naturally comes from this. Virtus and Tyler recognized that mindset and the opportunity that would come from those mindset, and really found the opportunity within ASEA. If there are more people on the planet, they are living longer, and the health is decreasing, and it becomes more expensive to maintain my health, what am I going to do? Let's hear it. What am I going to do? ASEA, yeah. I'm going to look to maintain my health and wellness before it becomes a problem. I'm going to look at specific health goals and try and proactively approach those health goals so that I do not have to go and get medical treatment. And there are more and more people that are going to do that because there are more and more people on the planet and they are living longer and longer. But there's a certain mentality that came out of these trends.